Geek announces expansion of SEO, web development and design services. Geek, headquartered in the City of London, announced the expansion of its SEO, web development and web design services. These services represent a strategic blend of creativity, technology and SEO expertise. The BG Group Advisor team joins UBS in New York City. UBS recently announced that financial advisors Michael Brombeck, Daniel A. Gershel, Joshua Elner, Rob Mancino and Craig Winston have joined the firm in New York City. Pharmatech Associates names Sireesha Yadlapalli as CEO. The board of directors of Pharmatech Associates announced the appointment of Sireesha Yadlapalli as Chief Executive Officer effective June 5, 2023. Mr. Yadlapalli will succeed Vikas Chatterjee, who will remain with the organization as President and Chief Science Officer. IBM announces plans to open its first European quantum data center. IBM announced plans to open its first Europe-based quantum data center to facilitate access to cutting-edge quantum computing for companies, research institutions, and government agencies. Andrew Lusk joins Crown Sterling Limited as President and Chief Legal Officer. Crown Sterling Limited LLC, provider of quantum secure encryption and decentralized community platform Orion Messenger, announced the appointment of Andrew Lusk as President and Chief Legal Officer. Janux Therapeutics designates Zachariah McIver as Vice President, Clinical Development. Janux Therapeutics Inc., a clinical stage biopharmaceutical company developing a broad pipeline of novel immunotherapies, announced the appointment of Dr. Zachariah McIver as Vice President, Clinical Development. Oort Energy secures GBP 5 million funding to set up green hydrogen facility. Oort Energy, a UK-based next-generation hydrogen electrolyzer developer, announced that it has closed its oversubscribed £5 million seed raise led by Energy Revolution Ventures, an early-stage electrochemistry specialist investor. Martin Leitch, appointed CEO of Pure Group of Insurance Companies. Privilege Underwriters Inc. and the affiliated companies of the Pure Group of Insurance Companies have announced that Martin Leitch, Co-President and Chief Underwriting Officer, will assume responsibilities as Chief Executive Officer on July 1, 2023. Goldman Sachs Asset Management announces liquidation of company's fund. Goldman Sachs Asset Management announced that the fund's board of trustees, at the recommendation of GSAM, has approved a plan of liquidation and dissolution for the fund. Wipro and Cisco team up to launch managed private 5G services. Wipro Limited, a leading technology services and consulting company, launched a managed private 5G as a service solution in partnership with Cisco. The new offering enables enterprise customers to achieve better business outcomes through the seamless integration of private 5G with their existing LAN, WAN, and cloud infrastructure.